Hi, I'm Sarvesh. I'm currently 19 years old and I'm pursuing my undergrad degree in Computer Science Engineering in National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli in India. So it has always been my dream to pursue a career in robotics. As a kid, I've always been interested in that. So now since I'm in college, I've been checking for internships, and as I stumbled across this, my first step towards robotics was creating my own drone. And as I came across, engineering drones, I was really interested in this program. And as I'm here, I really like doing it. So my first task was building a drone. As I had come, my two teammates had already 3D printed the parts of the drone and they had made a model of it. So the first day that I came, we had assembled the drone, gathered all the electronics and made all the connections. We had done the soldering of the wires and we had tried to then calibrate the software behind the flight controller. We had used, it was autopilot, and we had to calibrate all the sensors, the motors, and check safety failures and all the different parameters for that. And after that, we had to connect the controller to Raspberry Pi so that we can operate it through Wi-Fi. Say using the mission planner or Qt ground control, we could control the trajectory of the drone and where we wanted to go and stuff like that. And right now we are trying to build a 3D cover for the drone. And as you can see, this is the disassembled drone, and this here is the flight controller, and this is the arm and the rotor, and this is also controlled. Each rotor is controlled through an ESC. Okay, so before I had come here, I had a few issues with my visa as well, and it was my first time that I was going to be alone in Greece. But Soka Abroad had helped me throughout it. They had responded really quickly to all my queries and texts, and any issues that we had, any documents we needed, they had sent to us. So they have been really helpful, and even like my mentor here, who's been helping us, he's been really supportive and friendly, and he seems to be just one of us. But yeah, he has a lot more experience and so much more to teach us, and it's been honestly a really good experience so far, and I've really enjoyed it. So it's my first time in Greece. I've been across countries in Europe, but in Greece is my first time. And to stay in Thessaloniki, it's a really beautiful place. And also the buses and the transport system. Even at late night walks, you have convenience stores open 24/7. It feels really nice and safe to walk around here, and even to enjoy all the different archaeological museums, the beaches.